Imagine controlling your drone with just a flick of your wrist. It's no longer a futuristic dream. It's now a reality for DJI Neo 2 owners with an Apple Watch. The DJI Neo 2, which made its global debut in November. Check out the details on its enhanced camera and navigation here. https://www.gismarina.com/the DJI 2 launch S global with a more capable camera and more advanced navigation news-70288.php has just received a game-changing update. This update unlocks the ability to pilot your drone directly from your Apple Watch. We are talking about Apple Watch Series 8, https://www.gismarina.com/applewatchseries 8-11866.php, and later models, including the rugged Apple Watch Ultra 2. https://www.gismarina.com/applewatch ultra 2-12560.php, and the cutting-edge Ultra 3, https://www.gismarina.com/applewatchultra_3-14130.php. So, how do you get this awesome feature? It's surprisingly simple. You'll need the new DJI Neo 2 firmware, version v01.00.0500. Also, make sure you have the latest version of the DJI Fly app installed on your iPhone, specifically version 1.19.4. That's all there is to it. DJI is touting this feature as particularly beneficial for active scenarios like cycling or running where fumbling for your phone or the standard controller isn't ideal. But, let's be honest, the possibilities are endless. Think about capturing those spontaneous moments while hiking, kayaking, or even just relaxing on the beach. This is where having your drone controls right on your wrist really shines. But here's where it gets controversial. Some purists might argue that using an Apple Watch sacrifices some of the precision and control you get with a dedicated drone controller. What do you think? Does the convenience outweigh any potential loss in finesse? Now, for the caveats. While you'll get a live video feed from the drone's camera on your watch screen, Apple's power-saving features will still kick in when you lower your wrist. The screen will dim to conserve battery. But, no worries, just raise your wrist, and the live feed reappears instantly. And this is the part most people miss. You can actually control the drone with your voice. After granting the DJI Fly app microphone access on your iPhone and enabling voice control within the DJI Fly settings, you can issue commands directly from your wrist. Your watch can also double as a miniature microphone for capturing on-the-go audio. Imagine narrating your drone footage live, right from your watch. What are your thoughts on this new feature? Are you excited to ditch the controller and embrace wrist-based drone control? Or do you prefer the traditional approach? Let us know in the comments below. Do you think voice control is a gimmick or a genuinely useful addition? We are eager to hear your opinions.